Arya, light has returned to the crystal. My purpose is fulfilled. Thank you for everything. Arya, stay with us. This title is yours. It is imbued with the power of water. Receive a title from Maria that holds the power of water. Geomancer, Dragoon, Viking, Black Belt, Dark Knight, Evoker, and Bard. Arya, hang in there. It is my time. You must continue your journey without me. The world needs light to dispel the darkness. Do this for me. Bring back peace. Arya, farewell. No, Arya. Another earthquake. It's too dangerous to stay here. We can't just leave. Arya, watch out. Wait, what? Wait, what happened? Oh, you're finally awake. 3 days is a long time to sleep. You don't say. Where are we? This is Amor, the town of water. My grandpa found you all collapsed in the ruins of the temple. We've been out for 3 days.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do